statement by Indigo, if we can. The airline has actually reacted, and they have said that, look, we have already identified, have given our statement to the aviation regulator. They've already said that. They say they followed all the protocols that were required of them, committed to providing safety to our passengers. Captain Amit Singh, in a situation like this, and Divya was mentioning that the flight hadn't taken off. You had this crazy situation. Should the pilot have not operated the flight?
Well, you see, this is again a systemic failure, and the regulation as such clearly states that there is a preventive measure, there's an enforcement and training measure, and there's a follow-up. Preventive is when you can foresee that there's going to be trouble on board, you have every right, and it is listed in the terms of carriage that you can warn a passenger, you can offload a passenger. And this part was not carried out clearly by the airline because everybody knew that the celebrity was traveling. To start a fire, you need three things. You need fuel, you need oxygen, and you need a catalyst ignition. So you had the airline, you had the celebrity, and whole lot of media. Had it been one odd media person, he could have escaped the eye. But if 5 or 10 people come on board, you can foresee trouble. Why wasn't a preventive action taken? So safety is basically about preventing anything happening. So you can't board an aircraft, then things start happening. So before door closure, technically it is the security staff on ground and the commercial who are responsible for taking action. So somebody needs to have told them that we foresee this.
Right.
But as you see in other cases of intoxicated passengers, they don't get intoxicated on board. They come, they check in, they arrive at the boarding gate intoxicated, they board the aircraft, then things flare up. So idea is to prevent. Now training of the crew is okay, they can only warn a person, at max restrain a person, but if you have 10 people on board, how many can you restrain? And follow up, the regulator did not tell the operator to take action. It was a
and I just because I'm running out of time, one last word to this.
No, it's about preventive measures. Because next time, a media person can take that risk of boarding and getting debarred or blacklisted. But idea is not to let him board.
Abhinandan, 20 seconds, I'm out of time. Go ahead.
Vishnu, while